Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.2 question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? Let us solve question number A. Now question number A you see is it possible to have a regular polygon with a measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? We know that we know we know that we know that the sum of the measures sum of the measures we know that sum of the measures of the external angles from the measures of the external angles of any polygon any polygon is 360 degree. We know this one, right? Also in a regular polygon in a regular polygon also in a regular polygon each exterior angle 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 is of the same measure is of the same measure of the same measure is same measure. Hence hence 360 degree. Hence if 360 degree 360 degree is a perfect multiple is a perfect multiple is a multiple perfect multiple of the perfect multiple of the given exterior angle of the given exterior angle given exterior angle, then the given polygon will be possible. Then the given polygon then the given then the polygon is then the given polygon is possible. Polygon the given polygon is possible. Right? Now here it is given exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. Here it is given that exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. Right? 22 degree. But here you can find that but 360 degree is not a multiple, is not a multiple of, is not a multiple of 22 degree, not a multiple of 22 degree, not a multiple of 22 degree, not a multiple of 22 degree. Hence such polygon is not possible. Hence such polygon is not possible. Hence such polygon such polygon is not possible, is not possible. Polygon is not possible. Now question number B. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? It is given interior angle is 22 degree. Interior angle is equal to 22 degree. Therefore, exterior angle is equal to, exterior angle is equal to 180 degree minus 22 degree. 180 degree minus 22 degree. 180 degree minus 22 degree minus 32 minus 22 degree. If you subtract this one, you'll get 180 minus 22. It is 8. 2 and 3. 5. It is 1. That is 158 degree. 158 degree. Right? Now here you see 360 degree is not a multiple. This is not a multiple of 360 degree is not a multiple of 158 degree. Therefore, you can say such polygon is not possible. Hence such polygon is not possible. Not possible. Such polygon is not possible. Once again we are repeating. Here you see, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? We know that the sum of the measures of the external angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Also, in a regular polygon, each exterior angle is of the same measure. Hence, if 360 degree is a perfect multiple of the given exterior angle, then the given polygon is possible. Here you see that exterior angle is 22 degree, but 360 degree is not a multiple of 22 degree, hence such polygon is not possible. Here it is given interior angle is 22 degree, therefore exterior angle will be 180 minus 22, that is 158 degree. 360 degree, again 360 degree is not a multiple of 158 degree, therefore such polygon is not possible. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.